Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock Outlook account. So let's get started. So the first method is verifying your identity. So you can simply go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Account Recovery and head over to account.live.com. You're going to sign in with your Outlook email and then follow the verification steps. Enter the security code sent to your phone or email and reset the password if asked. The second way is by going to another search box and search for Microsoft Unblock account. Go to unblockmyoutlook.com and here you're gonna go to sign in helper and sign in with your email and password. Request verification code and enter code to unlock your account. So the common reasons Outlook gets blocked is because of too many wrong passwords, suspicious login activity, sending too many emails or spam, and Microsoft security protection. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.